Welcome, my dear students, for the MOOC course on Abhidhamma, philosophy. We are going to discuss on the mind and matter in Abhidhamma. The main objective of this module is to understand the mind and matter as well as to understand how it has been enumerated in Abhidhamma Pitaka as well as how Akusala Chitta has been discussed in Abhidhamma Pitaka. A man is a composition of mind and matter or Nam and Rupa. Nam stands for the four immaterial aggregates and Nibbana, Nama Dhammati, Nam Sankhat Dhamma. Te Athato Chattaro Arupino Khanda Nibbanam Cha. In Dhammasangani, there is a question that what is Nam? Tat Katmam Namam. The answer is Vedana Khando, Sanya Khando, Sankhar Khando, Beyond Khando, Asankata Cha Dhatu Idam Bucchati Namam. Connotes all that which one feels. Vedeti Lakkhanam. Sanya Khande is the perception or determination, Parichiti, of characteristics of an object. Nimit Gahan Lakkhana, that color blue of an object. Sanya Khand denotes that aspects of mental state. Beyond Khand connotes the 5 or 6 cognitions of the perceptive knowledge, Prativigyapati, that arises through the contacts of sense organs with their respective objects. It is that faculty by which a being becomes aware of the things. Vijanan Lakkhanam. Buddha Ghosh derives Nam from the root Nam, that means to bend, and says that Sanya, Vedana and Sankhara are called Nam because they bend and direct the mind, Vigyan, to the object, Ramana. In the formula of the 12 links, Dwadas Nidan of Patisamujpad, Beyond is made that cause of Nam Rupa, but Nam also includes Beyond, which means that not only the mind, but also the mental states derived through the sense organs. In some enumerations, like in Dignikaya, Beyond and Nam Rupa are shown to be interdependent. Now, the Beyond which appears after Patisandhi Beyond gradually leads to Sanya, perception, Vedana, feelings, and fresh Sankhara, thought constructions, all of which need the support of Rupa, matter, Nam, Pachaya, Chat, Ayatana. The relation of Nam to Rupa is one of the 4 Pachayas. As for example, Sahajat Pachay, Ayamaya Pachay, Nisay Pachay and Vipak Pachaya. It is clearly stated in the Vibhanga that the sense organ as also other matters in their subtlest state originate out of the mind. This subtle roop is nourished by the food taken by the mother and shaped by the force of previous karma. In Milind Pahyo, we find Nagasen telling the king Milinda that any name say Nagasen, Sursen, Birsen, Sihasen is only a generally understood term, a designation in common use, for there is no permanent individuality involved in the matter. The Nam is that which leans Namatiti Namam. When the object comes into the range of the sense organs, the information is conveyed by the senses and the mind leans to the things senses. Each sense organ has its own range. Nam is that where thinking is performed. Namati iti chintanam. Matter is known as Rupa. It is not a gross substance, rather basically it is a quality. It does not have a separate existence from quality, but it is the quality itself. Thus Rupa truly been named as a material quality rather than substance. It has been defined as Rupatiti Rupam. meaning that the material quality which changes itself at every moment. It is an unbreakable quality which changes itself every moment. It is an unbreakable and continuous process of change. In this way, Roop can be explained as the name of those material qualities which are in the state of change each and every moment. It is neither the Hetu nor associated with the Hetu. It does not catch object. It is only an amalgam of a number of quality. Thus, Naam and Roop form the personality of a man. Naam stands for the psychic aggregates and the Roop for the material aggregates. They are united together just like the two stones of a palm fruit and remains united depending upon each other. Besides them, there is nothing like soul or being existing permanently and independently. Each of them are impermanent and subject to decay and death. What we call a man is a mere expression, a conventional name given for some practical purpose. Naam Roop only exist and receive various names according to the occasions and the functions. There is nothing which functions within them and maintains them, as a doll is soulless and functions in a different ways with the association of the strings. Similarly, there is no soul or any permanent essence within a man which functions or generates activities. There are only Naam and Roop which functions harmoniously depending on each other. Naam depends on the Roop and Roop on the Naam, and their functions as on just like the boat and the boatman, or the lame and the blind.